Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to use Google Trends for YouTube views. Basically, you're going to find out what's famous and how to reach wider audiences and eventually get more views. So, we go into Google Trends, which is essentially a statistics page for YouTube, for Google searches. So what people search, how they search it, and apps they search it on, and all that stuff. So if we go to the Explore tab, we can see we can choose a country where we want to see the searches from, the time frame, so the past 12 months, the past hour. We can choose a category, so for example, real estate. You want to search for that. So that's basically what kind of video you're aiming to post, and see what kind of search or caption you should put on the video. And then eventually we can see image searches, news searches, Google Shopping, and YouTube search, which is what we're gonna focus on today. So once we go into YouTube search in the United Kingdom, for now, we can see that the most famous topic in the United States in the past 12 months is EA FC 25, the video game. Then we have APT. If we search in the past 7 days, for example, we can see completely different results. So even though the Super Bowl is a US show, the United Kingdom people are also very interested and been searching it a lot the past 7 days. And we can also see search queries for Everton versus Liverpool game. Then if we go into trending, we have basically the same thing as trends, and we can see graphs. So as you can see, it's been famous right now, so that's not actually a very ideal thing because it's a fixed point. But if we actually look at lunar eclipse, for example, there is sort of an easing down of the stream. Or Malaga holiday home bookings decline. Look at that, it's still going up. Or Gmail users red alert, you probably had one as well, and it's still rising. So basically this is your platform to research what kind of video you're gonna post, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna help you get more views, and yeah. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more tutorials like this, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to have a great day, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.